Okay, my name is Rafael de Loa, and I'm the owner of Sazón Mexican Home Cooking located in Garland, Texas. I've been here for business for 6 years, and we're providing the best food and the Metroplex. I can say that. Right now, we're creating a very beautiful birria tacos that we're gonna be able to make in the video. So be aware that you're gonna enjoy and just watching how we make the tacos. Yeah, let's go start it. Let's go to the kitchen. Let's go to the real thing. Well, now we are back at the house, the real cooking. Okay, we're gonna be making the tacos that we've been talking about it. They call it quesadillas because of the cheese they have. Okay, and the way to create the birria, I investigate, first of all, I investigate how to make the real thing, right? So it took me like maybe 3 months to done it right the way I want. I have a system they call Autosham that I cook with the smoker, and this is the real thing. We put the goat and everything, but you see now I have the goat right here, already for the tacos. Okay, made it ready. We try to make sure, we're cooking for 16 to 18 hours, the slow cook on the smoker. So we're gonna be creating, first of all, we get the tortillas, right? And see, this is the own fat from the goat. It's when the goat lose the fat, at the time of cooking, we save the fat and we make the tacos. Okay, we're gonna be making 6 tacos right now. It's gonna be a beautiful thing. This is all nothing fake. Fat from the goat, the meat, and the juice. The al juice we call it consomme. Okay, and the al juice we call consomme. What we do, we make sure the whole tortilla get the fat on there. The flavor is what a lot of flavor comes from. Okay, we let it crisp a little bit. Let it sit a little bit so that it can start crispy. I get the right cheese for that. Something that also make me give it the right flavor. So this cheese about slice, easier for us to make it. Lay down the cheese in there. Right now, what we have is we put in the cheese. We let it sit for a bit until the cheese start melting. So the process can be nice and faster, and also we can get a crispy quesadilla. People think sometimes that they're deep fried, but they're not deep fried. As you see, they are cooked on their own fat. So, like I say, birria started getting a hit in America and United States maybe like 2.5, 3 years ago. That's when everybody boom, start making the birria. Then during the pandemic, how bad it was, the business, and the restaurant. So that's when I create my own birria. And because of this, we thought the business come up, So that was nice. And well, now we have the tortillas ready for the goat. This is the goat. Okay, the goat, we shred it, we cook to very tender and use it. You see this? You see, it's not dry. We put on the taco. See, this is the way we make the birria. We also have beef birria quesadillas for those people who doesn't, like, they say, oh no goat, but the goat is very nice. And then we pull the taco, right? As you see. You see how they start coming nice and crispy. We gotta have a nice little bit golden brown. Make sure they're crispy. And then from here to your mouth, I can say, or to your table, right? Because if you let it cool down, it's gonna be a little different. When you're reheating, they're gonna be okay, but not as good as when they come out from the flat top to your table, wherever you eat, and that's the right thing, right? And as you see, they come in very nice and golden brown. This is gonna be a beautiful quesadilla. It's nothing like I promise you in the market. right now. So, we got it. Sometimes they stick and deflect up because of the cheese. So we gotta scrape it so that, we can get all the whole thing back to us, okay? So, and they're ready. Okay, I promise you, if you come and try this right now, your mouth watering. Right, so we bring it to put the cilantro and the onions in here, because they serve it with onions and cilantro and lemons, okay? This lemons is normally what we serve it, and the al juice. We put the al juice. The al juice is the consomme out of the pot, okay? I'm gonna put right here. The way we make the al juice, or the consomme, we call it in Spanish, the bones, when we debone the meat from the goat, something they call demi-glaze. A way to make demi-glaze, what you do, you get the bones, put middle pulp in there, and then reduce it as much as like 3 days. Put more water to get it stuck, so we can get the right flavor out of the bones. That's what we have right here, and this is what it is. 6 birria goat tacos, ready to go. Oh, also you can pair it also with beans and rice, and hot sauce, okay? Don't forget about the real spicy hot sauce for that. And we got it. And let's go try and see how it tastes like, okay? Okay, so it's time to dig into the tacos. Let's try and see if you like, okay? I'm gonna show you the way you eat the birria tacos, the real way. But you get look at this, beautiful birria taco, right? Then you get your stuff with cilantro and onion in there, okay? Then you squeeze some lemon in there. Right? You fold it again, okay? Make sure you don't lose any part of the goat. And what you do, you dip into the consomme. Look at how beautiful. You dip and dip and dip until you get the right bite, okay? Dip it again and again. Go back in the mouth. Can talk. My name is Rafael de Loa, and thank you for watching this video, and I invite you to come and enjoy our birria tacos. Besides the birria tacos, we got a beautiful other dishes, real Mexican food. We don't do any Tex-Mex, we don't do American food, we do just Mexican food, the real thing, okay? Come and enjoy, I invite you. Once again, we are on 3035 South Shiloh Road in Garland, Texas, 75041, Suite 200, okay? We're here waiting for you to come and enjoy our quesadillas. And thank you very much, people, okay? Enjoy my video. And if you have a question for the birria, please call me, 214-563-2237, 214-563-2237. Call me any question. Happiness, okay? And viva la vida loca.